Good morning, everybody. Today's my last day here. Tomorrow, I'll be back home in the regular setup. But today, the value is still the same as always. I'm here to share with you a store that's doing $2.3 million a month in a very special niche, something I've never really considered, but something I know is really powerful. And it's what you see here. It's wedding and event decor. So, as you see, they sell wholesale event and wedding decor. They have incredible social media strategies, but their website is actually super, super simple. These are my favorite stores these days, and I'm sure for some of you guys it also, sort of unlocks a lot of creative juices because it's not what you normally consider when building a business. So let's check out their landing pages. So, as you see, super simple stuff. Nothing special. It's really just super simple and explains the product well, and it allows you to buy it really easily. That's it. They're making it very easy for you to shop. Love that. A lot of people make it very complicated to shop, but a lot of times people already know what they want, especially if they came to your site after seeing an ad, which is a big way this brand is garnering attention is by running some ads. Though they're not that good of ads, I'm actually surprised. I would love to run better ads for this company because they have so much content that they could be testing. I'm surprised that they're not utilizing it better. For example, like I just showed you, let's see this video right here. As you see, it's just a super simple video of them setting up some event decor. Really weird that this is going so viral. But, this could be an ad if they chop it up a little bit, maybe add in some other viral clips that they got, like this one, 168,000 views. That's so good. This one's 90,000 views, and it's just them setting up some event decor, like I said. Very simple stuff, right? So they don't need to run ads, quote unquote. But obviously, running ads just allows you to amplify everything you're doing on the organic front. So that's why we love to pair up both of those things, especially at my agency. That's exactly what we do is we just basically do performance marketing on Meta. We amplify all these types of videos and content and we test it like scientists and try to find just the best stuff, right, that we can scale and grow the businesses with. And it's what we do for ourselves as well. So that's why you've seen some of our brands. Let's see this video while I talk, that have reached over 100K a month in the span of 90 days through just using meta ads. It's because we're literally a team of scientists out here with growth. Um, so yeah, this is super cool though. I mean, I just wanted to show you this because they're following the exact playbook. I mean, this is just what I keep showing you. The playbook is post a lot on organic, use that organic content, amplify it through meta ads, and grow your business. And keep dropping new products, keep doing something new. That's what they're doing, obviously. And it allows them to continuously grow all the way until these insane numbers, right? This is an 8-figure Shopify store selling wedding and event linens. Like, that's just crazy, and tablecloths. So take, some notes on this one, get inspired, start your Shopify store today. Don't wait any longer. And, start trying things out. Start posting TikToks. If you commit to posting a TikTok a day for 30 days, man, you're going to have so much data to work with. And that's it.